Hi, thanks for tuning into the Driveway Dudes, my dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Toyota Corolla key fob. So once again, this is the first time I am changing a battery in a key fob. I'm doing this for demonstration purposes. The battery actually works on this at the moment, so I don't have a spare battery. I know that some Toyota Corollas come with a little screw, and I think it's usually on the side with no buttons, and that breaks a lot, and the key comes out of the key fob and causes all kinds of trouble. But lucky enough, I think Toyota, the Japanese, have actually put a bit of effort into redesigning these. This is only a 2-button key fob. I know some come with 3 or 4 for boot and maybe lights or a horn or something, I'm not sure. But what is obvious is that there is a little groove here made for a screwdriver. So I don't know how. So I'm going to put it in, I'm going to twist the screwdriver gently. I don't want to damage the key. I don't know how difficult or easy this is to open. I might need a bigger screwdriver. It's holding on. Try not to damage anything. Okay, not too bad. A bit dirty. Okay, so if your car has an immobilizer, there's usually a little chip in here, but apparently my Fielder doesn't have an immobilizer. It might be something I'll have to look into. So if there is a little thing in here, make sure that you do not lose it, because you're gonna have a bad day. Okay, yeah, so look, this has the key itself only has two buttons, but this must be a universal unit pod. I don't know what you'd call that. It has space for 4. Okay. Use coin to open, it says. See that? Use coin to open. It's in English as well, which is kind of them. I'm just going to get a slightly larger screwdriver. So obviously if they're saying use coin to open, they want the everyday man to be able to change this themselves. That's a Kraken. But not breaking. Okay, that's not so bad. So this is a CR2016. CR2016. This is a little bit tight. I don't want to break any of the tabs, so I'm going super gentle. And then it jumps. CR2016. Very, very slim battery. It says positive up. You see this little plus sign on it. And then it'd be just a case of replacing it, pushing it back in against these metal bits. So CR2016. So, like I've said before in previous videos, you can get cheap button batteries in pound shops or Euro shops, but I don't recommend using these. I've done it in the past, so let me make the mistake for you. What happens is you'll change out your battery and everything will be dandy for 6 months, and then your battery will fail. So I honestly suggest, like, obviously we tried to offer as much advice on not wasting money as much as possible. But the recommendation, like my recommendation, is spend a little bit extra on the battery. What I'll do for convenience, I'll leave a link in the description below, a hidden net if you want to buy it online. Otherwise, just source it yourself, which is fine. And then if you buy a decent battery, they usually last quite a while. Like, honestly, I'm not messing when I say like 5 years plus if you buy a decent battery versus 6 months. And you have to spend 6 months, 6 months, 6 months, 6 months, 6 months. Honestly, you'd be better off. You'd be better off just spending a little extra and buying a decent battery and have it last you a decent amount of time. So the cover closes quite easy, as you saw. Pop it back in. Okay. Just a bit of dust. Pop it back in. That it fits pretty snug, but not too tight. And then get this cover. And it's just a friction fit. You just push it to fit. That's it. Click, and nice seal. And that's her. You can't hear that, but I can hear my car locking and unlocking from here. It's just parked outside the window there. Okay, well, I hope you found that useful. You got a bit of information that maybe you didn't have already. So you can save money by doing this yourself, rather than going into a garage or a dealership. Quick, easy fix anybody can do at home, no problem at all. If you found it useful, or if this guided you in any way, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you follow us on any social media like Twitter or whatever else, and if you're not already, please hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. We'll continue to provide valuable information like this completely free. Where else do you get such great information for completely free? Well, thanks very much, guys. That's me for today, and I hope you have a great day.